Hello, teacher.
Hello, potato. Okay, potato, look at here. Potato, write about you and your parents. So, potato, are you at home now?
Bố là gì bố? Bố tiếng Anh là gì? Không, bố tiếng Anh là gì? My father is cooking.
No.
My ra ngoài là gì bố? My mother is go out.
Went out. Again. My mother.
My mother is went out. House.
Not is. My mother went out from our house.
My mother went out from our house.
Correct. How about potato? What are you doing?
I am đọc học là gì bố? Dạ.
I am.
What?
What is potato doing?
Đây thế mà bạn father đúng rồi.
I am.
Đúng rồi bố rồi. I am.
What is it?
I'm one.
What are you doing, potato?
Another one.
I am. How about potato? What is potato doing? What are you doing? Your father is cooking. Your mother went out. Number 1, are you at home now, potato? Are you at home?
I'm reading letter 1.
Oh, I'm reading number 1 again.
Yes.
I am.
Are you at home now?
No, what's the answer? Are you at home now? What's the answer? Potato, are you at home now?
At home. At home. At home.
Now? What's the answer?
Yes,
Yes, I am. Again.
Yes, I am.
Okay, good. Okay, next.
Really?
Okay, potato. Look at here. Oh, erase the writing. Erase, potato, erase.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the picture. Oh, I cannot see. You cannot answer. Okay, potato, what is he doing? A, B, or C? D.
D.
Letter D. Let's check. Let's see if your answer is correct. Letter D.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, next. How about this boy? What's the answer?
He is cleaning the floor.
What letter? What fish number?
Cleaning A.
A. Let's check. Is it letter A? Where is letter A?
Yeah.
It's here, it's here, it's here. I'll click it.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Next, how about this boy in the picture? What is he doing?
Play the piano.
What letter? Playing the
Play
piano?
the piano.
Are you sure he's playing the piano? What letter?
Let the A.
Look at A. No. What is he doing?
He is doing homework.
Okay, what letter?
B.
Okay, B. Uy, letter B. Letter?
Yeah.
B.
B. Correct. Okay, let's do lesson 5, potato. We have pronunciation. Potato, we have here the A sound.
C.
What's this?
C.
C. Next.
Beach.
This one.
Beach.
Beach.
Bean.
This one.
Bean.
Bean. Okay, good.
I love the sea.
Again.
I love to sing.
The beach is nice. I have some beans. The
Again.
beach is nice.
I have
Again.
some. The beach is not.
I have some beans.
I have some
I
beans.
have some beans.
Okay. We have there the ow sound.
Drawing.
Again.
Yeah.
Drawing.
Sorry.
Raw.
This one.
Wrong.
Lawyer.
Okay.
They're drawing a picture.
Again.
Blah blah.
Again.
He's drawing a picture.
They're drawing a picture.
I hate eating raw meat.
Next.
He's drawing a picture.
I hate. Come on. I hate.
hate.
Go. Please read.
He's
What?
a lawyer.
Read number 2. I hate.
They are drawing a picture.
Next. Letter B. Second one. What's number 2?
I hate eat drawing meat.
I hate eating raw
He's
meat.
a lawyer.
This one. Potato.
Yeah.
Come on. His.
No! Putin! What?
Next. So the third one. What's the third one?
Third one is third one is he is a liar.
He's a lawyer.
He's liar.
Okay. Next. Oh, here. Potato. Listen.
1.
My sister is reading.
My sister is.
My sister is reading.
Can you write reading or no?
I don't.
Okay. Reading. Next. Number 2. Listen. 2.
Linda is drawing in her room.
Again.
What?
Again. What is number 2? Linda is.
Linda is
What's the answer?
Linda is I don't know.
Please read. Linda is. Oh, listen.
1.
My sister is reading.
2.
Linda is drawing in her room.
Again.
Linda is drawing in her room.
Correct. Okay, next. Please
What
read.
are you doing?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What are you doing? I'm drawing. I'm drawing. What is she doing? She's singing. She's singing. What is he doing? He's
What are you
reading.
doing?
He's reading.
What
What are they doing? They're dancing. They're dancing.
Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, potato. Answer this one. Read and match. My name is.
My name is.
What's the answer?
What?
Look at number 1. My name is.
Is. My name is. My name is. My
Yeah.
name
Let's read.
is.
Please read now.
Yeah. What?
Number 1. My name is. Please read.
My name is.
Come on.
What?
Number 1. You start reading one. Oh, potato.
What?
You read now. Read. Number 1. My name is.
Is.
Come on, go.
What? My name is.
Okay.
My name. My
Hang on.
name is.
Come on. My name is.
My name is.
Please read. You did not read, oi?
What?
You read now. My name is.
My name is Kwan.
Next. Today.
Nice. Okay.
Today, my family.
Today, my family.
What's the answer? Watching is listening, playing, or in. My family.
Let me.
Come on, my family. Potato, what's the answer?
Yeah.
Come on, read now.
Let me. Wait. What me? With me. With me. Okay. My name is Kwan. Today, my family room. Okay.
My family.
My family with me.
What's the answer? Today, my family.
With me. With me. Yeah. What?
Number 1.
What?
Today, my family blank at home.
Today, my family at home.
What's the answer number 1?
I don't know.
We are blank the living room. What's the answer number 2? We are my father is blank TV. What's the answer to potato? My father is
What?
my father is blank TV.
My father is done.
Quay ra đây.
With me.
Món này.
With me. Me. Yeah.
Okay, what's the answer now?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Look at the answer, Tony. Potato. You do not. You did not give answer. Oh, read. Read all. My name.
My name is Kwan. Today, my family
Is
at homework.
set homework.
We are in
We are
living
in
room.
living
My
room.
father 3 watching TV. My mother is 4 playing the piano. My brother is 5 listen to music. I am listening.
I'm singing again.
Yeah.
I am singing.
My mother is playing the piano. My brother is listen to music.
Listening, not listen. Listening.
Listening to music. I am singing.
Okay, there you go. All right, very good, potato. So my name is Juan. Today, my family is at home. We are in the living room. My father is watching TV. My mother is playing the piano. My brother is listening to music, and I am singing. Okay. All right. So potato, that would be all for today. Great work because you participated. You were able to answer the questions.
Wait me, wait me, wait
Okay.
me. No, no, no. No, wait me.
What's wait me?
Lagi.
Wait me.
Lagi, guys.
Okay now?
Wait me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Potato, goodbye for now, potato. Bye-bye. See you next time. Goodbye.
Wait me. No. Wait me.
Let's go.
Wait me.
Lagi. Isa lang.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye.